Hey everyone, and welcome to Health Here. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of overall wellness and how you can cultivate a healthy lifestyle. First, food is fueled. First point is eat a rainbow means fill your plate with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables. They're packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that keep your body functioning optimally. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. Second point is power up with protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it plays a crucial role in managing hunger hormones. Include lean protein sources like chicken, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu in your diet. Thirdly point is healthy fats are your friends. Don't fear all fats. Healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are essential for hormone regulation, brain health, and nutrient absorption. Fourth point is limit the sweet stuff. Added sugars can contribute to weight gain, diabetes, and other health problems. Be mindful of sugary drinks, processed foods, and hidden sugars lurking in condiments and snacks. Fifth point is stay hydrated. Water is vital for every bodily function, from flushing toxins to regulating body temperature. Aim for 8 glasses of water a day, and adjust based on your activity level and climate. Second or best, which is move it or lose it. First point is find your fit. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. Discover activities you actually enjoy, whether it's dancing to your favorite tunes, taking a brisk walk in nature, or joining a group fitness class. Second point is strength matters. Don't forget strength training. Bodyweight exercises, free weights, or resistance bands are all great options. Third point is make it a habit. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, or break it down into smaller chunks throughout the day. Fourth point is listen to your body. Rest days are just as important as workout days. Allow your body time to recover and rebuild muscle. Third is sleep is your superpower. First is create a sleep sanctuary. Make your bedroom a haven for sleep. Ensure it's dark, quiet, cool, and clutter-free. Second one is power down before bed. Avoid screens like TVs, laptops, and phones for at least an hour before bedtime. The blue light they emit can disrupt your sleep cycle. Third is develop a relaxing routine. Wind down before bed with calming activities, like taking a warm bath, reading a book, or practicing gentle stretches. Fourth, stick to a schedule. Go to bed and wake up at consistent times, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. For more tips, tricks, and healthy inspiration, be sure to subscribe to the Healthier channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for joining me today, and stay healthy.